Hi everyone, this is Emily with Floral by Emily Jane. I wanted to show you guys something real quick because I just organized all of my templates and my centers and my leaves and other stuff that I have for my paper flowers in a binder, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I wanted to show you guys what I did. So over here I have some of my templates and my instructions that I use that are on my Etsy shop, and then I have these binder organizers, and I stuck my templates in here, which I think holds them really nice. I was keeping them in like a gallon size plastic bag or a Ziploc bag. So this is a huge improvement, and here I have some extra leaves printed out. So I have the pink ones because these are probably my most popular color, and then my golds and my neutrals, and then a couple extra that I have. And then this I am loving because I have all of my centers that I already have pre-cut, organized by color. So my gold and my silver on my first page, and then my like creams and white, and then my blue and green, purple and red, and then my random colors I don't use very often, and then pink, and then just some extra paper. So I got these dividers on Amazon, I think for just a couple dollars. I probably spent under 10. And this is just like a 1-inch binder. So I wanted to show you guys this in case you were wondering how you should, or what's an easy way to organize your stuff, your paper flower stuff. And I hope that helps.